In this video, we will show you how to add more remotes to your Bliss shades. On your existing remote, select the channel that you would like to copy. Then, on the new remote, find the channel that you would like to copy to. Turn the original remote over, remove the battery cover, and press the P2 button. The shade should jog once and beep once. Then, press the P2 button again, and you'll get another jog and beep. Finally, on the new remote, remove the battery cover and press the P2 button. The shade will jog twice and beep 3 times. This confirms that the channel has been copied to the new remote. One note about copying channels. All shades that are within range of the original remote that are on the selected channel will be copied to the new remote. To remove an additional remote, follow the same steps. On the remote that you would like to keep, press the P2 button to get a jog and a beep. Press it again to get another jog and beep. On the remote you would like to remove, press the P2 button and you will receive 2 jogs and 3 beeps. This confirms that the remote has been removed.